What?
Now, everybody, we can eat Japanese snack. Yeah!
Today we are eating Japanese snack.
Oh, yes, then let's start. Wait. You don't look me.
Okay.
Just listen sound. Okay, now we're going to start first.
Okay. What you got today?
Ta-da!
Wow. What is that?
Bunji.
Bunji?
Yes.
Wow. That looks like what?
Looks like bunji.
What? Can I see?
Ta-da!
Oh, it says Kinako mochi.
Kinako mochi.
It's a mochi.
It's a mochi.
Let's try.
Let's out. Take a blue bowl.
Okay.
Whoa, Uncle. Ooh. 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 We're gonna take out and let you. What?
They got so many inside. What? How many they got? It's so colorful.
Eat like this.
No, you don't eat. Oh, it's so many.
Let's open this.
Wait, before that, how many colors they got inside? This is pink. Oh no, purple.
Yeah, this is purple.
There's so many.
This
Too
is
many.
pink.
We don't know which one is which flavor. I think they all got the same flavor. I'm not sure. But this is the name of this snack is mochi, but it looks like rice cracker. How is it? You don't like? Looks like rice cracker. Let me try. I like.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Wow. What is that?
That is bunji.
Oh.
Say mundi, mume, bunji.
Oh, you can read.
Yes, it's like that.
Can I see? Oh, this is Muki amaguri.
Muki, bunji, bugagi, guga.
This is marron. You know
Okay, I
marron?
don't know.
These snacks mommy buy from Donki.
Donki.
Yes.
Wow.
It's all from Donki. Okay.
Ah!
You try? It's really yummy. Try to eat first.
Ew.
Try to eat first. This is marron. Minato, try. This is marron. I eat. Mmm. So yummy. Mmm. Marron. Why? It's so yummy.
Let me try.
What's that? What's that one? Can I see?
Wait, it is the fish.
It's a fish snack.
Yeah, you do.
That's a real fish.
It looks like. What? Looks like plum.
It's a iwashi fish. Yummy? You like? Oh, this. Yeah, I also want to try this one. Iwashi. Oh, wow. They got bone, Minato. Look. They got bones, fish.
But you can bite.
Can bite? Okay. It's a bit hard, but it's nice.
Yes. So we are going to.
It's nice.
We still got 2 more.
Okay.
Wait, bye bye.
Bye bye. Where you going? Bye bye. Okay. Wow! What
It looks
is
like
this?
hot dog.
Hot dog?
Yeah, it looks like.
No, this is.
But this thing looks like hot dog.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's.
Whoa!
Let's eat this one. Ume shiso flavor Kakino tane. What? Is it spicy? Wait. No. Just a little bit spicy. Try. It's not too spicy. It's only spicy. A little bit.
But I don't want it.
Oh, I think it's so yummy for me.
No,
I think it's spicy for Minato.
but I don't love spicy. Wait.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Wow!
Fat.
What is this?
This is bunji.
This is Karin to. This one is the black sugar taste.
Ew!
Black honey taste. It's very nice. Let's try.
Honey taste.
Black honey. It's very nice. Try. Let's try.
Eating a tree. What for? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, wait, I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay. Okay.
I'm gonna eat one first.
Okay.
Let me try kind of. Well, try. Whoa. Ooh. Ooh. Wait. Let's try it.
Mhm.
Looks like berry.
Wow. Looks like wow. Look like this. How is it?
I love it.
You love it.
I love it.
Let me pour.
I love it.
You want more?
No. Mmm.
This is Yaki hoshi mo.
It's your more.
Yaki hoshi mo.
Yaki.
Yaki hoshi mo. This is the sweet potato. Let's open.
Oh, it's so heavy. Super heavy.
Let's see the package. Okay.
Only to add
No need.
need.
Yeah, it says you can eat like this way, or you can also put in the oven. Yeah, put in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, let's stop.
with the butter. That's also
I
nice.
don't know why this one need to cook.
Oh yeah, it can also cook with the microwave also.
Why?
But also no need to cook. You can choose.
I can't handle.
Yeah, first of all, we need to let's eat without using microwave, okay?
Wait.
Without heating, we
I don't
eat.
eat one more this.
Okay. It's yaki hoshi mo.
What is yaki?
Yaki means grilled. Grilled. Hoshimo is a dry sweet potato. Dry sweet potato. Let's open. So this yaki hoshimo looks like this inside. It doesn't smell so nice when it's like this. I think if we put in the microwave or oven with the butter, it will be nicer. Let's try. So this yaki hoshimo, we are going to put in the oven with the butter.
Wait, mommy, next time can I go to a new house and I want stairs?
3 minutes. Yeah, can.
Mommy, can
Minato, our sweet potato is ready. We just grilled in the oven for 3 minutes with the butter.
It's ready, everyone.
Let's try.
Is it hot?
No, I don't think so. You try the butter part, butter. Let's try.
Wait. Ready, set, go. What?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
Let's try. It's nice.
You
No, this is dried sweet potato.
try? No, I try. No. Ah.
You try first?
No, you eat first.
Okay.
No.
Because I know it's nice. Don't like? Uh-oh, but it's so yummy. Let me try with the butter. Mmm. It's very good.
No, it's not very good. Everyone, this snack is a little bit good then. Other one is good. Other one is not good. Then you ask it if you got boyfriend, you try ask your boyfriend try to eat, or if he don't like, don't eat.
Why
Okay.
boyfriend?
Then next time, thank you for watching my video. Bye.